today with 2011 Forte Koup. The world has never quite seen anything like this. A unique combination of class-leading standard horsepower, fuel efficiency, and advanced standard features. The Kia Forte Koup, the first of its kind, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, stability control, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.